Good morning, students. I am a teacher of Nanak Public School. Today I will teach you Science for Class 6, Chapter 2, Components of Food, second lecture. In previous lecture, you have know what is the importance of carbohydrate, protein as a component of food, what is balanced diet. In this sequence, we have to know what is minerals and vitamins. First we know what is minerals. Minerals are a chemical substances, elements which are very needed for health of our body. These minerals are obtained from green leafy vegetables, dairy products and fish, fruits like apple. In apple, iron is present in more amount. All green leafy vegetables generally contains mineral salts and vitamins like spinach, पालक. पालक में ज़्यादा मात्रा में आयरन पाया जाता है. सेब में ज़्यादा अमाउंट में आयरन पाया जाता है. कॉमन साल्ट, डेली जो हम कॉमन साल्ट खाते हैं उसमें सोडियम और क्लोरीन, इसके साथ साथ उसमें आयोडीन मिलाया जाता है जिससे कि लोगों को आयोडीन की कमी न होने पाए. हमारे लाइफ में फूड कंपोनेंट्स के किसी न किसी ढंग से, जैसे वेजिटेबल के माध्यम से या फ्रूट के माध्यम से, हमको डिफरेंट टाइप्स के जो मिनरल्स हैं वो मिलते रहते हैं. ऐसे मिनरल्स जैसे आयरन, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम, फास्फोरस, आयोडीन, these are very important for our body, which are obtained from green leafy vegetables and fruits, dairy product. Now we have to know what are the particular importance of these elements for health. First we see calcium. Calcium is very necessary for our bones because it maintains strong, provide strength to our bones, teeth. So due to deficiency of calcium mineral, there will be osteoporosis in adults and rickets in children. Next, sources of calcium is milk, green leafy vegetables, यानी दूध में, ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल में, हरी सब्जियों में कैल्शियम की मात्रा ज़्यादा पाई जाती है. नेक्स्ट मिनरल इज आयरन. आयरन इज वेरी essential for our body. Iron maintains our red blood cells. It is very necessary for hemoglobin. There are many sources of iron: cereals, pulses, green leafy vegetables, fruits, etc. These are very rich source of iron. Next mineral is iodine, which is a activator for functioning of thyroid gland. So due to deficiency of iodine, the thyroid gland do not function very well, due to which deficiency of iodine, goiter disease in gland of neck occur, that is thyroid gland. थायराइड ग्लैंड में स्वेलिंग आ जाती है जिसे बोलते हैं ग्वाइटर। सोर्सेज ऑफ आयोडीन आर फिश एंड आयोडाइड salt. Next mineral is sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium is very essential for relieving pain in body and muscle. These are present in mainly salt and all types of food eating in our daily life. Next component of food is vitamins. Vitamin is a chemical substance, organic substance which is needed for proper functioning of our body and prevent different diseases due to its deficiency. There are two types of vitamins: fat soluble vitamins and second is water soluble vitamins. We have to know what is difference between both type of vitamins. As the name suggests, जैसे नाम से लग रहा है, फैट सोलुबल विटामिन्स मीन्स ऐसे विटामिन्स जो फैट में स्टोर होते हैं, फैट में सोलुबल होते हैं, वे हमारी बॉडी के अंदर पहले से ही रहते हैं, ये बनते रहते हैं और इनकी आवश्यकता समय आने पर होती है। जबकि वाटर सोलुबल विटामिन्स आर soluble in water and these are not stored in our fat, not stored in our body. So these are regularly obtained from out sources like green leafy vegetables, fruits, etc. Example of water soluble vitamin are vitamin B and vitamin C. But example of fat soluble vitamin are vitamin A, D, E and K. Now we have to discuss what is the particular importance of vitamin A. Vitamin A, the chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. Due to deficiency of vitamin A, night blindness disease occur in which there is a problem in dim light for seeing any object. Sources of vitamin A is green leafy vegetables, fruits, carrot and gajar, milk. Next, vitamin B1. Due to deficiency of vitamin B1, beriberi disease occur. And the sources of vitamin B1 are egg, whole grains, जितने भी अनाज हैं सब में पाया जाता है। विटामिन B12 की कमी से अनीमिया रोग होता है जिसमें खून की कमी हो जाती है। देयर इज ए लॉस ऑफ ब्लड ड्यू टू विच देयर इज ए डिसीज दैट्स नेम इज अनीमिया, यानी खून की कमी होना, इसे चक्कर आ जाता है। सोर्सेज ऑफ विटामिन B12 आर मीट, green vegetables, fruits, etc. You can see green vegetables and fruits are nearly main source of vitamins as well as minerals. So we have to eat it properly. Vitamin C, chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Due to deficiency of vitamin C, scurvy disease occur. In scurvy disease, there is a bleeding from gum, loosening of teeth, and vitamin C is necessary for fight against infection. So it maintains our immune system to fight with different diseases. Sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits, यानी खट्टे फल जैसे लेमन, ऑरेंज, आंवला, अमला, टोमेटोज etc. Next vitamin is vitamin D. The chemical name of vitamin D is calciferol. By the deficiency of vitamin D, rickets occur in children. There are many sources of vitamin D: milk, fish, egg and sunlight. यानी ये ऐसे सोर्स हैं, एग, मिल्क, सनलाइट, जो हमारे बॉडी को विटामिन डी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जिससे कि हमारे शरीर की जो हड्डियां हैं, मांसपेशियां हैं, मजबूत होती हैं। इसीलिए हम लोगों को सनलाइट का बराबर अपने बॉडी पर इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए, जिससे कि बॉडी के अंदर जो विटामिन डी है उसका जनरेशन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, in this lecture we have know all importance of minerals and vitamins in our daily life. These are disease preventing components of food which are very very necessary for our health. So we have to eat properly all kinds of green vegetables as well as fruits for maintaining our immune system, for controlling the deficiency disease of vitamins and minerals. You have to learn these topics as well as write in your notebook. Thank you very much.